Hey everyone, beautiful day. We're going to be tapping a couple maple trees. I have a couple clips that I was able to get of us doing that. I hope you guys enjoy.
Where? Oh, in here?
No.
Hang on, buddy, hang on.
Hold on.
Right there?
Yep.
What's that thing?
The tube that's got to go in there.
Oh!
All right, now hang on. Oh, it's already leaking.
Come on!
Is that better?
Yeah.
I think I'm putting it a little bit too much of an angle.
Okay.
All right, that'll work though.
It only, I don't hear it going inside.
It's not going inside of it.
Oh, it's dripping below it.
This doesn't look like an oak tree.
Looks like it's coming. Our hole's too big, that's why the thing's leaking out the bottom, but Ty Man here wants to try it.
It's sweet! I really like it, seriously. It is good.
Yeah?
Yeah.
So it's recommended that you boil it first to boil out any bacteria or anything, but you know,
Whoa.
shouldn't be too bad, too harmful for just a little fingerful of sap. So this is our sugar maple, one of the ones big enough. Unfortunately, that hole's too big, so we're gonna have to drill into it one more time. Hopefully we're not hurting it by drilling into it, trying to get this figured out. This is a little bit harder than we initially thought, but this is our setup. So we have the spiral, the tube, and just a water jug here, a drill, and the hammer there. I'll put a link to the kit that we bought. I also have another sugar maple over here. That should be big enough as well. We got to measure this one because we know that one over there is big enough, but this one may not be as big. So clouds moved in for this beautiful day we were having. It's still nice and warm, so really we're gonna still play on some four-wheelers today, run through the melting snow and ice through the mud after we get done tapping these maples. Are you having fun?
Yeah, just trying the maple.
Just trying the maple.
Yes, I just can't resist. This is too sweet.
Just too sweet.
Yeah, this is so yummy. Guys, my mom's gonna try the maple. Okay, so how do you like it?
I can't taste anything.
I got a stronger taste bud, didn't you?
You do. Let's see. It almost tastes like water, like a slightly sweet water.
Yeah.
So it said that we're supposed to get anywhere from, or about a gallon. We can get up to a gallon a day on good days. It can't be below 20 at night and 40 during the day. And then you want to stop doing or tapping trees when they start to bloom or it gets over 40 consistently during the day. That's what I've read. I've also read that it should be above freezing at night. I have no clue. We are doing this a little bit later. We wanted to do this around President's Day is when I originally looked up, which is recommended when you start maple season. So I'm not sure. To be honest, I can't tell you guys. This is our first time ever doing this. We've never tried to make maple syrup of any sort, whether that be like the fake imitation stuff with sugar or not, but it's fun. It's a good little activity for the day, good family activity to come out here and try to make some maple syrup or get some sap to make maple syrup. I hear George, he's coming back. We're gonna try a smaller size drill bit to see if that helps with allowing the sap not to run down the tree side. So yeah, I'm gonna go over here and measure this other tree and see how big it is so we are prepared for that tree too.
So, it's kind of hard to pull a tape measure with your gloves.
You want me to get it?
Yeah.
There.
So,
Go further down. I don't know if that one's going to be big enough.
Come on. Slow. Let's go. 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 Hang on. Go. Go. Hang on. Don't. All right, ready? Keep going.
For this maple, we decided to go with the smaller drill bit as well as a different technique with the spiral. In the sugar maple, we put it all the way in. However, in this red maple, we're only putting it in a little bit. Alright everyone, I hope you had fun with us tapping some maples. If you're tapping some maples, let me know. We'd love to see how you guys do it, which maples you are tapping. We have a couple of reds and sugars on the property. We're only going to do 10 gallons this time because that should get us about 1 quart. Is what we determined, because it's 40 parts sap to make 1 gallon maple syrup. So we're gonna try 10 gallons for 1 quart to see if that works, because we just want to try it, see if we like it, and then next year we'll actually go in and actually do the whole setup and everything. But until next time, I hope you get to bye. I hope you guys get to do and grow something you love.
yep.